Learn how to use Microsoft Word's text effects to make your documents more visually appealing. Select the References tab. Open your document and go to the References tab at the top. Choose Cross-Reference. Hover over the Cross-Reference option, which indicates it refers to specific places in your document. Check Insert as Hyperlink. In the Cross-Reference dialog, ensure the option Insert as Hyperlink is checkmarked. Select Reference Item. Click on the drop-down to choose the type of item you want to reference: tables, figures, equations, bookmarks, etc. Insert Reference. 2. Click the drop-down next to Insert Reference to and select how you want to reference, for example, page number, paragraph text, full context. Insert the reference. After making your selection, click the Insert button to add the reference. Follow the hyperlink. After inserting, you can hover over the references. Hold down the Control key and click to follow the hyperlink to the referenced item. Adjust font size, optional. Consider changing the font size of the references to make them stand out more. Finish up. After completing the references, you're done. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.